Proctolux by G&N is a range of single-use, fully disposable and self-illuminating proctoscopes for use in diagnosis and treatment of the anal cavity and rectum. The innovative clear-view system, situated within the obturator, provides an unobstructed view during examination or surgical procedure. Removing the tab from the Lux system initiates a bright white LED. This light is guided to the end of the barrel, where it is most needed and useful to the medical practitioner. After use, Proctolux, including the battery, is simply dropped into the clinical waste bin, saving time, money and effort. Available in 2 sizes. The larger diameter proctoscope is used for treatments such as haemorrhoid ligation or injection, and the smaller diameter is used mainly for examination purposes. The Proctolux is the enlightened solution for rectal examination and treatment. Exclusively from G&N, illumination by design.